hi guys, this is Makeup Majesty back again with another tutorial. Today I did this makeup look right here. This is basically kind of like Eid makeup look, you can say, or either a party makeup look. You can do it in any occasion that you want. If you want to know how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. All of the products used in this video were sponsored by Makeup World, and the dress was sponsored by Vidger, a fashion group. So first of all, I'm gonna start off by applying moisturizer on my face, and I'm going to use the Body Shop Pomegranate Firming Day Cream. What I like about this product that is really smooth and it's kind of oily, and I really like moisturizers that are like really oily and smooth on my skin. So my foundation and my concealer glides on really smoothly. Now I'm gonna go with my primer, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. For foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my beauty blender from W7 and blend all the foundation onto my skin. What I usually like to do is, I don't smear the foundation onto my skin. I usually dab the foundation, dab the foundation onto my skin, so the makeup stays on longer, makes you look flawless. This is not actually high coverage, but I like it. It's like a medium coverage. I don't really like foundation that's high coverage. Makes my skin look cakey. Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face. So for that, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade number 20 Sand Sable. And now I'm going to blend the concealer using the W7 little concealer sponge. It's so cute. So I'm gonna set everything, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One. And this has SPF 32 PA+++. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera and applied concealer, the same concealer from Maybelline, on my eyelids, and set it using the same compact from Maybelline. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the eye makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this palette from Revolution, the Ultra Eyeshadows, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade for the crease, right below the transition shade. right on top of the crease, I'm gonna apply this shade. And on the outer V's and the inner V's of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade over here. On the center, I'm going to apply a little bit concealer. On the edges, I'm going to go ahead and use these two colors, this one and this one. And right on the center, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade over here. What I like about this liner, that this is kind of angle, kind of like a boomerang, and it's really easy to apply. Now I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow color that I used on the crease on the lower lash line and slowly start to smoke it out. Drag it across the outer V. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply nude liner from Rimmel. This is the Scandaleyes on my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Pastel Multi-Dimensional Volume and Curl. Okay, it's time for contouring and bronzing, and I'm gonna also apply the blush. And for that, I'm going to use the Technic Face Fix. It has a blush, a contour, and even a highlight. So I'm going to use the contour to carve out the cheeks and also use the blush to apply it on my cheeks. What I like to do is apply a really light amount and start mixing it. A little bit on the jawline. Like, I'm not going to contour under my chin because I have a slight round face, so I usually contour my jawline. And I'm going to be taking the same contour shade and going to be contour my nose. I'm gonna contour my nose. And for blush, I'm going to be using this color. Alright, it's time for my most favorite part of all, and that is highlighting. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Sleek Makeup, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade. This is a cream basically. I'm going to slightly gonna use my fingers and dab across my cheeks. Same on the other side. Right over the eyebrows. I don't like highlighting my entire, forehead or down the chin. It makes my skin look really oily, so I prefer highlighting my cheeks and just over the eyebrows. A little bit on the nose, just on the tip. And the Cupid's bow. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying this highlighter from the Technic Face Fix. And for the inner corners, I'm going to use this shade. And for the lips, I'm going to apply the Pastel Day Long Lip Color Kiss Proof. I really like the color, and this is in the shade number 19. I'm done with my makeup, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix everything. And for that, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Fini Naturel Fixing Spray. All the products that are used in this video was sponsored by Makeup World. Thank you, Makeup World, so much. And if you want to get all of these products, you can simply get it from Jamuna Future Park, or there are 3 outlets in Uttara. There are also another one in Police Plaza Concord, and I'll link down the addresses and the information of the location in my description box. Be sure to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Makeup Majesty. Like, share, and definitely comment. Let me know how you like this tutorial. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. I love you.